Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add animated bullet points or text that appears line by line inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now there are a lot of different options and animations to choose from. I'm going to keep it simple though by showing you where to go to find all of them and show you a sample by doing a common one of flying in bullet points from one side on a schedule. We'll start with a blank slide here with a title. From the Home tab, select the text box and draw your text area. I'll create a few bullet point lines here by choosing the default bullet option and typing them out. Once you're done, choose Animation from the top menu. Next, highlight all of your text and choose the type of animation that you want. Like I said in this example, we'll use Fly In. You'll then see each line fly up from the bottom and get a number 1. If you don't see the animation window on the right, choose Animation Pane from the menu here. Now we can go ahead and customize this however we want. I want each line to fly in from the right, and I want to give each line its own time of 1 second. Select the first bullet point from the animations on the right. We'll change the property to From Right and leave the rest alone. Under Timing, since this is the first line, we'll start it with On Click, and we can leave the rest on the defaults. Next, choose Bullet Point 2 and set it to fly in from right. But this time under Timing, set it to start after Previous, and give it a 1 second delay. Go ahead and do this for the third bullet point as well. Now to test the animation, click outside of the text box and on the right under Animations, click Play All. You'll then see the animation play out and the text appear one by one. This is a super basic overview of how to do this, but now you should have an understanding of how it works and can customize it however you'd like. And that's how you make animated text appear one by one inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.